flowing so free. You are the boat drifting, just you and me. Your sails bring the storm with winds that collide. You anchor in my waters, looking for a ride. But the tempests you love make my river churn. Yet your heart seeks the wild, there's so much to learn. Then your boat once more escapes to the sea you once knew, hoping for those bigger waves and skies brushed in blue. Oh, but the heavens look down, keeping water still, while my river feels dry, longing for a thrill. Like the love that's been weathered, tossed by the tide, the sky send me a new boat that drifts by. A vessel comes floating, nestled in my arms. Two hearts now entwined, finding joy in the calm. Days turn into laughter, like raindrops on the shore. The river calls sweetly, and we find we want more. When summer rains arrive, bathing us in cheer, new channels we carve with dreams crystal clear. You're the gift from the heavens, a dream that's alive. Together we drift like we're meant to survive. Oh, how the river waves, waters dance with glee. The new boat finds anchor, it's where we are free. Love washed over us like those tender waves, like the first time we met in the sunbeam that saves. 10 years have passed swiftly, like a breeze on my face. From those first tender glances to this beautiful place, with every gentle current, more love we will find in the embrace of the river. Two souls intertwined. You hold me so close as our journey unfolds. Every touch ignites stories that time cannot hold. Through the quiet moments, through laughter and tears, every night we frolic, conquering our fears. For the river keeps flowing with the grace we possess, entrusted with dreams and moments, under stars we confess. So let's sail on forever, through tempests and calm. You're my gentle anchor, my heart's sweetest balm. Oh, but the heavens look down, keeping water still, while my river feels dry, longing for a thrill. Like the love that's been weathered, tossed by the tide, the sky sent me a new boat that drifts by. So here we are drifting, like the first day we knew. With each year together, my heart belongs to you. Through tempests we've partnered, through the sunshine and glow, forever we'll sail, wherever the river flows.